I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with Jamendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect.
Hey Bratties, welcome back to the Brat House, and it's your girl ShiBratz here. Today I'm gonna be filming on how I got these press-ons, a quick little DIY, a little quick $8 nail set. You know, you can get at Walgreens, Amazon, anywhere. Yeah, this video is gonna be a voiceover, so yeah, this is my first time ever trying a voiceover, so I hope y'all like it, you know. Also I did a TikTok video on this, so that will probably be linked on the description box, because I know when I upload this video that's when I'm gonna post to TikTok. And yeah, so these are the nails. This is the brand. It's by Kiss. You can get it from, like I said, Amazon, Family Dollar, anywhere. It's only $8. But this video is really about a long lasting press on set, because I'm gonna show y'all the tips and tricks in here how your nails to last over 2 weeks. So if y'all want to know how I did that, stay tuned. Make sure you leave a like, make sure you comment, subscribe, and share this video if you want to get more videos from me. Here's a closer look one more time. And yeah, also, oh, I almost forgot before I got into the video. If y'all like, I'm pretty sure some of my viewers are military related. If y'all in the military, this is a perfect video for you. If you're going underway, if you're on deployment, you could just stack up on these nails and do this. I know I watch a girl on YouTube and she do her nails, and they said they used to like open the iron board and put all their nails on top and just do their nails while they were underway or in deployment. So if you are military viewers, that is a perfect idea, just to keep your nails done underway. So yeah, once again, if you want to know how I got this look, just stay tuned and let's get into the video.
Hey guys, welcome back once again. So here are all the things that you're gonna need so you can get your little pretty nails going. So y'all gonna need some rubbing alcohol. You're gonna need the nails, of course. You're gonna need a fingernail filer and a fingernail clipper and a cotton ball or two, you know. Yeah, so make sure y'all go wash your hands before we actually jump into this, you know, just to remove all the residue. Also, if y'all see a little bit of redness on my nails, it's because I just took off a set of nails before this video, so that's why. But yeah, so as y'all can see, first thing first, I'm clipping down each nail so my nails won't be showing through the nail when I apply them. So, you know, go ahead and make sure y'all do all that. So here's the nails. Like I said once before, you can get these nails at Walmart, Walgreens, Amazon. Amazon got a whole bunch on there. I think I got these from Walgreens, and they're only $8. Here's the glue. It comes with the glue. You know, you can purchase your own on the side. But this one, the glue that they provide usually works well, so I go ahead and use it. And the reason it works well is because I'm doing this alcohol and filing method, which makes your nails last longer. It comes with a filer if you don't have your own, but I recommend getting your own. Get a little strong one, because that one is not as strong. Then, and y'all know, when y'all get y'all gotta find each nail that fits each finger, so that's what I'm doing here. I try to get the smallest nail. I don't really like my nails too big over the, you know, over what's the corner, I don't know, over the corner of your nails or whatever. Just don't have them too big, because that's gonna look stupid. Alright, so now I'm grabbing my rubber alcohol and putting it on a cotton ball so I can clean off each fingernail. But I need to tell y'all something, because I made a mistake in here. So as y'all can see, I'm applying the alcohol on each fingernail, but make sure I end up going back, and before I apply each nail, you see I'm rubbing the nail again. So as I did that, I didn't let the nail dry a little bit. I just started filing right away, and that's what made it harder to file. So just let it dry up just a little bit so it's not as hard to file, and that way the nail will last longer, you know. Because I was having issues in the end, because I believe that's the mistake I had. But bear with me, because my setup was really difficult. Like, I had the camera and everything in front of me, so my arms are wrapped around it or through the equipment, so it was really difficult trying to film this. So, but I still got it done. I got it done for y'all. So yeah, I'm applying the glue, of course, right after I file the nail. And then, you know, now you put on the nail, and then I at least hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. So, you know, get that grip, get that hold, or whatever. And you don't want to put too much glue, because that's when the glue starts to like come out the side, and it starts to get on the nail, and then it fucks up your nail. You don't want that. And plus, these are matte nails. These aren't glossy. And that's what also makes this look really, really better, because they are matte nails. So, yeah. So yeah, now I'm just filing down each nail, you know, doing the same thing to each fingernail. Same routine, same step. Rubbing alcohol, let it dry, file it, apply the glue, hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. Just a reminder, y'all, I filmed the TikTok on this, so make sure y'all go check it out. It's going to be linked in the description box, you know. Every video I film, there's going to be a TikTok on it, so if y'all want to go see that, just go to my social medias. Usually, all my social medias is my YouTube name, ShiBratz. So, yeah. If you're looking for me on any platform, just go search up ShiBratz, and I should come up. So, yeah.
But you giving it to me.
So this is the after look. Well, it went back super quick, but yeah, that was the after look. You know, you can keep the nails like that if you want to and keep them long. As y'all know, I'm in the military, so long nails are not allowed. So that is exactly why. See, look how they look. They're cute. So yeah, if you want to keep them this height, go right ahead. And you know, that's your finishing touches on the nails. You can go on and file the top of it just to make it more sharp. But as y'all can see, I'm going to clip down each nail. I know when y'all go to the nail shop and y'all get your nails clipped down, they kind of measure it with your other fingers and your other nails. I didn't do that here because I ain't no nail tech, and I don't work at the nail shop, so I did it to the best of my ability. But they still gonna come out around the same height, same size, and they're gonna look good. So yeah. Alright, so this is how they look before I file them. I ain't gonna lie, I was moving around a little too much, but they look good. You can just, you know, be done right here, but nah, I gotta make it look sharp. So this is when the fingernail filer comes back in, and what I do is I go file each nail, and I try to make, you know, make the nail as straight as possible. Yeah, so because the straighter it is, the better it looks, as y'all can see by the photos on the thumbnail, because I'm gonna have a cute ass thumbnail for y'all. Oh, my language. A cute thumbnail for y'all. So yeah. But yeah, as I was saying once before, if you are in the military, like really stack up on these if you go underway or on deployment or something, because you have a set, you don't gotta worry about. If you're a person that, you know, keep your nails done and everything, you know, keep yourself up to par and all that, just buying a pack of these. Give me your rubber alcohol, your fingernail flicker and everything, and your lock and everything. And that way when you got free time, go ahead and do your nails. This literally only takes about 20 minutes. It doesn't take long at all, like dead ass. And like I said, this literally, this can last up to 2 weeks. Like my nails be lasting up to 2 weeks because I'm doing this rubbing alcohol and filing method. And someone once told me about that, like, oh, how do you keep your nails, your press-ons last long? This is exactly what I do. So if y'all want y'all press-ons to last longer, you know, do this. Alright, so y'all, that's the finishing looks, that's the finishing touches. I hope y'all like this video. I hope it was very helpful. I hope y'all like how it looks, because I definitely was feeling them. They're so cute and I got a lot of compliments on them. So yeah, leave a like, comment down below any more videos y'all want me to see. You know, share this video and everything to your friends. And yeah, I love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye. I was trying to wave here. I'm so dead.
But you're giving me to life.